This is the last one. Apple and Jony Ive are completely over now.
Oh.
They were, obviously, there was some distance there, but they had an ongoing working relationship. Ive had started his new firm, From Love. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
And they had a contract. The report was $100 million. Apple signed a contract at the time with Ive valued north of $100 million. And it restricted Mr. Ive from taking on work that Apple found competitive. That's a big figure for Mr. Ive.
I mean, he's earned it, I think.
No, but to them, it was not just a payment, but also, hey, don't go making iPhones for anybody else.
Some restrictions.
Don't go making, you best not be walking your butt over there to Samsung or something.
Goes to nothing.
Or, best not be doing that. But I guess all that came up. Like, the contract ended 3 years later, and they're not going to renew. In recent weeks, with the contract coming up for renewal, the parties agreed not to extend it. Some Apple executives had questioned how much the company was paying Mr. Ive and had grown frustrated after several of its designers left to join Mr. Ive's firm. Ooh.
Oh.
Poaching our talent, are you? And Mr. Ive wanted the freedom to take on clients without needing Apple's clearance. He said, why shouldn't I be able to go design some phone over here? Why shouldn't I? Yeah, I bet you his phone's kind of off the hook over there. A lot of people want to talk to Mr. Ive, don't they?
I think so.
Hey, can you make my thing? Apparently, Love From will keep working with Airbnb and Ferrari. How about those for some clients? Keep working with Airbnb and Ferrari, and probably an even bigger list of clients, current clients, potential clients. Who knows now? Now that this deal is over with Apple, you could see some Apple-esque design coming to a tech company near you. Now that Jony Ive is completely a free agent.